Stop scrolling. If you've ever wasted time on a project or bought a useless tool, you're about to discover the 20 must-have woodworking tools you should have bought years ago. Today, we scoured Amazon to find the absolute best woodworking gadgets and workshop hidden gems, the ones that are truly life-changing for your shop. Stick around because one of these genius DIY tools costs less than $100 and is one of the most viral finds of the year. Without further ado, let's jump in. Accurate and consistent hinge placement is essential for professional-looking cabinets. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig is a precision tool designed to drill perfect holes for cabinet hinges, specifically 35mm cup-style concealed hinges. Featuring adjustable cams, it ensures proper hinge offset, while the included carbide-tipped drill bit and depth stop collar provide reliable, repeatable drilling. Built for professional-grade accuracy, the jig allows positioning from 2 inches to unlimited distances from the door edge. With easy-to-read indexing cams and measuring scales, concealed hinge alignment is simple and precise. Ideal for cabinet makers and DIY woodworkers, this jig ensures flawless installation of concealed hinges every time. Securing materials firmly is crucial for precision and safety in any workshop. The Massca locking C-clamp is a portable table and tool vice grip crafted from high-grade carbon steel, offering a heavy-duty hold for home, workshop, or welding use. Measuring 18 inches with a 9-inch throat depth, it provides a tight and secure grip on materials of various shapes and sizes. Its adaptable swivel pads automatically conform to surfaces, ensuring precision hold without extra adjustments. Ergonomically designed for one-handed operation, this versatile clamp combines durability, portability, and reliability, making it an essential tool for craftsmen seeking efficiency and control in cutting, welding, or assembly tasks. Ensuring an absolute level and alignment is essential for precision work in any project. The generic E95 UltraView box level delivers all-position accuracy of 0.0005 inch per inch on both working surfaces, featuring precision milled edges and solid block acrylic vials for reliable measurements. Equipped with E-band vials made in the USA, it offers high-definition readability in all conditions. Additional features include shock-absorbing removable end caps, surface grippers, a hang hole for convenient storage, and powerful rare earth magnets for magnetic models. Cordless and battery-powered with 2 AA batteries included and up to 30 hours of battery life, this level combines durability, accuracy, and ergonomic design, making it ideal for woodworking, construction, and precise alignment tasks. Accurate and stress-free hardware installation is essential for professional-looking cabinets and drawers. The True Position Tools hardware jig simplifies this process, allowing you to install drawer front handles and knobs faster with perfect alignment. Simply adjust the jig to the desired location, tighten the thumb screws, and drill confidently. Crafted in the USA with over 25 years of proven accuracy, it features precision machined aluminum, laser-engraved rulers, and hardened steel bushings for durability and precision. With attachments for pulls up to 38 inches, this jig is highly versatile. Trusted by thousands with over 1,500 5-star reviews, it ensures flawless cabinet hardware installation every time. Accurate hinge installation is essential for perfectly aligned cabinet doors. The 𝐹𝑒𝐹𝑒𝐷𝐼O cabinet hinge installation jig is designed as an efficient cabinet door installation positioner that securely holds doors for precise hinge drilling. Constructed from high-quality aluminum steel, it provides stable door support, preventing tilting or misalignment during installation. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, accelerating cabinet door mounting and improving productivity. The jig features a dual-scale measurement system for accurate alignment and an adjustable clamping range, accommodating various panel thicknesses. This cabinet hardware jig for drilling concealed hinges ensures fast, precise, and consistent hinge placement every time. Consistently precise drilling is critical for accurate woodworking and metalworking projects. The Infinity drill bit depth stop collars provide a reliable and repeatable way to set drill depth, bridging over the flutes of your drill bits for even positioning. Featuring dual set screws, these collars prevent slipping or uneven alignment, eliminating the common frustration of set screws getting stuck in flutes. Simply adjust to your desired depth, tighten with the included Allen wrench, and drill confidently. The kit includes sizes for 8 inches to 9/32 of an inch and 9/32 of an inch to 19/32 of an inch drill bits, covering most standard woodworking and metalworking applications, perfect for controlled, precise holes every time. Stripping paint efficiently without damaging surfaces is essential for professional and DIY projects. The 𝐲𝑝𝑒𝑒𝑒𝑚 corded paint remover tool, made in Germany, delivers precision and durability with its die-cast aluminum gear housing for optimal heat dissipation. Equipped with reversible carbide blades and a lock-on switch, it allows secure, extended operation while achieving clean results. The removable extraction nozzle and connector attach to a vacuum, keeping the workspace dust-free. It features axial routing depth of 0 to 0.012 inch, radial depth of 0.006 inch, and unlimited notching depth for versatility. Additional handle and protective flaps ensure ergonomic and safe operation. The package includes Metabox 145 and accessories. Achieving strong, precise, and repeatable joints is essential for professional woodworking. The Festool DOMINO system delivers this with its unique patented cutting action that rotates and oscillates to create perfect mortises every time. Its mortise width adjustment dial allows for easy alignment, while the pivoting fence enables angled mortises from 0 to 90 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 67.5 degrees. Indexing pins ensure quick, accurate placement, and the dust-extractable design maintains clean cuts for better glue adhesion and longer cutter life. Combined with domino tenons that are rotation-proof and strong, this portable, ergonomic system makes precise, solid joints for panels of any size. Precise, strong joinery is essential for any woodworking or DIY carpentry project. The PowerTech Pocket Hole Jig provides an adjustable pocket screw system that makes drilling perfect pocket holes in plywood, hardwood, and MDF quick and easy. The kit includes the jig base, toggle clamp, dust port, step drill with stop collar, square driver, hex wrenches, 50 assorted screws, and it converts to a portable unit with the included base plate. Features like the 1 1/4 inch OD dust port, engraved scales, and 4 drilling ports ensure clean, accurate work. This portable, durable aluminum jig is ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, shelving, and other wood joinery projects. Precise, versatile cutting is essential for woodworking, carpentry, and detailed craft projects. The 𝑒𝑚 tool handsaw is a 6-inch Japanese pole saw designed for flush and finish cuts with ease. Its double-edged SK5 high-carbon steel blade features 17 TPI for hardwood and 14 TPI for softwood, allowing both rip and cross cuts. The hardened 3-edge teeth provide faster chip removal and smoother cutting, while the flexible blade ensures precision and control. Ergonomically crafted with a beach handle, this handsaw is durable, reliable, and ideal for woodworkers, carpenters, and craft enthusiasts seeking a professional quality woodworking tool for everyday projects. Accurate and strong wood joints are essential for professional cabinetry and furniture making. The Bosch Tools Biscuit Joiner is a cordless woodworking tool designed for precise and reliable jointing. Its powerful brushless motor delivers smooth cuts through hard woods, while the adjustable cutting depth up to 0.87 inches ensures perfect alignment for strong joints. The versatile fence adjusts from 0 to 90 degrees with 5 positive detents, and the dust extraction port keeps your workspace clean. Ergonomically designed with a slim grip and large auxiliary handle, this joiner provides comfort and control. Ideal for cabinetry and furniture making, it combines efficiency, precision, and durability for every woodworking project. Ensuring wood is properly seasoned before use is crucial for efficient burning and safety. The Stihl Wood Moisture Meter is a precise tool designed to quickly measure the moisture content of logs, ensuring they are below the ideal 20% threshold. Its clear display and simple controls allow fast readings. Just turn it on and insert the metal spikes into the wood. The gauge also measures moisture in materials like mortar or plaster and even temperature, making it versatile. By using this meter, you prevent excessive smoke, reduce creosote buildup, and maximize burning efficiency, making it an essential tool for wood heating and construction projects. Precise and versatile cutting is essential for professional quality woodworking and DIY projects. The Doberman Compound Miter Saw is an updated 10-inch sliding miter saw designed for multi-material cutting with 3 TCT blades and a dual-speed motor, 5,000 over 3,200 revolutions per minute, allowing effortless cuts in wood, PVC, and soft metals. It's a 0 to 45 degrees bevel cut, and the laser guide ensures accurate, clean results every time. The 13-inch sliding rail with extendable side tables expands the cutting range, while the ambidextrous ergonomic design accommodates both left and right-handed users. Powered by a 15-ampere pure copper motor, this saw delivers reliability, efficiency, and precision for diverse cutting tasks in workshops or home projects. Accurate and versatile cutting is essential for any woodworking or DIY project. The DecoPro electric jigsaw tool is a powerful corded jigsaw designed for woodworking, featuring a max 3000 SPM motor and 6 variable speeds to suit different materials and applications. Its tool-less blade quick release allows fast blade changes, while the sturdy metal base plate supports plus or minus 45 degrees of bevel cutting for angled cuts. With 4 orbital settings, this jigsaw ensures smooth cutting on both hard and soft woods. A dust port adapter keeps the work area clear, and the parallel guide enables precise straight cuts, making it ideal for DIY, beginner, and professional woodworking tasks. Efficient and safe pruning is essential for maintaining trees and garden spaces. The 𝐲𝐻𝑒𝓆 chainsaw is a portable cordless electric chainsaw designed for tree branches, courtyards, and gardens, making it an ideal mini chainsaw for DIYers, dads, moms, and friends. Equipped with a high-efficiency copper motor and deep quenched guide chain, it delivers fast, smooth cutting with longer runtime and durability. Weighing just 1.1 kilogram and only 4 inches long, it's lightweight and easy to operate with one hand. The 20-volt 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, safety lock, and compact carrying case ensure safe, convenient, and portable use for pruning, trimming, or light garden work. Precision cutting for small-scale projects is essential for hobbyists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts. The Saker Mini Table Saw is a portable desktop electric saw designed for wood, plastic, acrylic, PCB boards, thin wooden boards, copper, aluminum, and other small materials. It features a 100-watt pure copper motor with 7 adjustable speeds up to 6,000 RPM, providing efficient and precise cuts. The adjustable cutting angle, 0 to 90 degrees, and a 16mm cutting depth allow versatile operations, including sanding and engraving. With 4 interchangeable blades, clear panel markings, anti-slip rubber feet, transparent baffles, and a soft shaft for drill bits, this compact, lightweight saw is ideal for crafting, DIY projects, and model making. Achieving precise and clean edges is crucial for professional drywall and plasterboard work. The Wolfcraft Edge Planer is designed for front edges with a perfect 35-degree angle, ensuring clean transitions between 2 plasterboards and allowing gentle, fast filling afterward. It accommodates board thicknesses of 9.5 and 12.5 millimeters and features 3 high-performance trapezium blades for precise cutting in a single pass. The ergonomic cradle provides controlled and safe operation from the first to the last millimeter, reducing fatigue during extended use. This edge planer is essential for professional and DIY users seeking flawless plasterboard finishing and smooth, precise transitions on all their projects. Securing workpieces precisely without obstruction is essential for any woodworking or home improvement project. The Kreg inline clamp is a premium home improvement tool designed to hold materials securely while staying out of the way. Its low-profile clamp shoe accommodates workpieces of all shapes and sizes, including corners and round edges, while a contoured dial adjusts the long pushrod over a 4 3/4-inch range for precise pressure control. The sturdy peg fits 3/4 inch bench dog holes, applying up to 250 pounds of clamping force from the side. Versatile, durable, and easy to use, this clamp is perfect for workshops, project centers, and custom cabinetry, offering reliable, adjustable clamping for every woodworking task. Achieving strong and precise mitered corners is essential for professional-looking woodworking projects. The Ⅎ𝑒𝓈 Corner Key Doweling Jig is a premium home improvement tool designed for decorative mitered joints. This doweling jig features molded reference lines and a clear alignment window for fast, accurate setups, and includes 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 inch drill guides. It allows you to run dowels through 45-degree joints, strengthening corners while creating a unique decorative effect. Compatible with solid wood dowels, non-ferrous metal tubes, or leather laces, the jig can be double drilled for multi-layered dowels. Ideal for boxes, drawers, and fine woodworking, it ensures precision, repeatability, and enhanced joint durability. Maximizing underbed and furniture storage while ensuring stability is essential for organized living spaces. The slipstick furniture bed risers are premium home improvement tools designed to lift beds and furniture by 5 inches, supporting up to two 1,640 pounds. Each riser features a steel-reinforced holder top with a 1-inch deep recessed cup and memory foam cushion pad, securely holding bed rollers, caster wheels, and furniture legs up to 3-inch round or 2 1/4 inches square. Stackable design allows additional height, while the puncture-proof construction ensures durability under heavy furniture. Ideal for beds, couches, desks, dressers, and sofas, these risers create extra storage space, improve cleaning access, and maintain floor safety. So, those are the 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon that will make your projects faster and easier. Which one was your favorite must-have gadget? Drop a comment below. If this video saved you time or money, smash that like button. And for more of the best Amazon tool reviews and workshop hacks, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. All the links for every single woodworking tool are waiting for you in the description. Now go build something awesome.